In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate timeframes quickly on TradingView. TradingView is an incredibly powerful platform for analyzing financial markets, and mastering timeframes is crucial for conducting efficient analysis according to your unique trading strategy. Whether you're a day trader who hops in and out of the market quickly, or a long-term investor who needs to keep an eye on broader trends, easy access to different timeframes is invaluable. Let's start by exploring the timeframe menu on TradingView. When you first open your trading chart, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. This is where you'll find your current time frame displayed, such as 1H for a 1-hour chart. Clicking the down arrow next to this time frame will open up a drop-down menu, revealing a variety of time frames that you can choose from. To streamline your workflow, consider adding your most used time frames to your favorites. Within this drop-down menu, you can click the star icon next to any time frame you frequently switch to. By bookmarking these, they'll appear right at the top of your menu, making them instantly accessible and saving you valuable seconds during those high-pressure trading moments. Another swift way to shift between time frames is to use keyboard shortcuts. This method is particularly useful for those who enjoy a quick, hands-on approach. Simply type in a number that corresponds to the minutes of the interval you wish to view. For example, typing 30 will switch your chart to a 30-minute time frame. After typing the number, just hit enter and your chart will immediately adjust to the new interval. There are times when the standard intervals don't quite match your specific needs. TradingView offers flexibility through the creation of custom timeframes. To do this, go back to the drop-down menu where you found your regular timeframe selections, look for the option that says plus add custom interval, and give it a click. This action will prompt a new input field where you can type in any number to suit your desired minute interval, say 18 for an 18-minute chart. This custom feature allows you to tailor your analysis grid precisely to your strategies and insights. By utilizing the drop-down menu, adding favorites, employing keyboard shortcuts, and creating custom intervals, you can navigate TradingView timeframes efficiently and tailor your chart view to perfectly align with your trading strategies. Whether you're adjusting for a quick glance at the market or setting up for a detailed analysis session, these methods will ensure you move through the platform with agility and ease, keeping you focused on what's most important, making informed trading decisions. I hope this guide empowers your TradingView experience, helping you navigate with confidence and precision.